Is it morning, afternoon, or night?
Let's learn simple and clear ways to ask and tell the time in English.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to White Eagle. I am Alex. Today, we learn about time. Time is important every day. We ask about time. We tell the time. It is very useful. First, how do we ask about time? It is simple. We say, "What time is it?" Please repeat after me. What time is it? Good job. We use this question when we want to know the exact time now. Look at the clock. What time is it? We ask this question many times a day. You can ask your friend. You can ask your teacher. What time is it? This question helps us know the time. It is a very important question. Remember it. What time is it? Now, how do we answer? It is also simple. We say, it's number o'clock. We use a clock when the minute hand is on the 12. It means it is exactly the hour. Let's practice. What time is it? It's 1 o'clock. Repeat. It's 1 o'clock. What time is it? It's 2 o'clock. Repeat. It's 2 o'clock. What time is it? It's 3 o'clock. Repeat. It's 3 o'clock. What time is it? It's 4 o'clock. Repeat. It's 4 o'clock. What time is it? It's 5 o'clock. Repeat. It's 5 o'clock. What time is it? It's 6 o'clock. Repeat. It's 6 o'clock. What time is it? It's 7 o'clock. Repeat. It's 7 o'clock. What time is it? It's 8 o'clock. Repeat. It's 8 o'clock. What time is it? It's 9 o'clock. Repeat. It's 9 o'clock. What time is it? It's 10 o'clock. Repeat. It's 10 o'clock. What time is it? It's 11 o'clock. Repeat. It's 11 o'clock. What time is it? It's 12 o'clock. Repeat. It's 12 o'clock. Excellent. You can now tell the time when it is exactly the hour. It's 1 o'clock. It's 5 o'clock. Very good. Now, let's talk about AM and PM. The day has 24 hours, but our clock only shows 12 numbers. So, how do we know if it is morning or night? We use AM and PM. AM means morning. It is from midnight, 12 o'clock at night, to noon, 12 o'clock in the day. For example, 7 a.m. This is 7 in the morning. We eat breakfast at 7 a.m. The sun is up. It is light. We say 7 a.m. or 9 a.m. This is 9 in the morning. Many people go to work at 9 a.m. or children go to school at 9 a.m. A.m. is for the morning. P.m. means afternoon and night. It is from noon, 12 o'clock in the day, to midnight,
12 o'clock at night. For example, 3 p.m. This is 3 in the afternoon. After school, children play at 3 p.m. It is still light outside, but it is afternoon. We say 3 p.m. or 8 p.m. This is 8 at night. We eat dinner at 8 p.m. It is dark outside. We say 8 p.m. or 11 p.m. This is 11 at night. Many people go to sleep at 11 p.m. It is very dark. We say 11 p.m. So, remember, a.m. is for morning. P.m. is for afternoon and night. 8 a.m. is morning. 8 p.m. is night. It is important to use a.m. or p.m. It makes the time clear. Let's learn some key times of day. We divide the day into parts. First, we have morning. Morning is when the sun comes up. It is from 12 a.m., midnight, until 12 p.m., noon. But usually, we think of morning as when we wake up. Maybe 6 a.m., 7 a.m., 8 a.m. We say good morning in the morning. In the morning, I eat breakfast. I drink coffee. I start my day. Next, we have afternoon. Afternoon is afternoon. Noon is 12 p.m. So afternoon is from 12 p.m. until about 5 p.m. or 6 p.m. We say good afternoon. In the afternoon, I work. Children play in the park. The sun is high. Then we have evening. Evening is when the sun goes down. It is usually from about 5 p.m. or 6 p.m. until it gets dark. Maybe 9 p.m. We say good evening. In the evening, I eat dinner. I watch TV. I relax. Finally, we have night. Night is when it is dark. It is from about 9 p.m. until the sun comes up again in the morning. We say good night when we go to bed. At night, I sleep. The stars are in the sky. So morning, afternoon, evening, night. These are the parts of our day. They help us understand time better. Now, let's learn how to ask about someone's daily routine. We want to know what time people do things every day. We ask, what time do you? This question is for habits, for daily actions. Let's see examples. What time do you eat breakfast? You can answer, I eat breakfast at 7 a.m. or I eat breakfast at 7 in the morning. What time do you go to work? You can answer, I go to work at 9 a.m. or I go to work at 9 in the morning. What time do you eat lunch? You can answer, I eat lunch at 1 p.m. or I eat lunch at 1 in the afternoon. What time do you eat dinner? You can answer, I eat dinner at 7 p.m. or I eat dinner at 7 in the evening. What time do you go to sleep? You can answer, I go to sleep at 10 p.m. or I go to sleep at 10 at night. Great job! You can now ask and answer about daily routines. This is very helpful for talking about your day. Let's review what we learned today. We learned to ask, what time is it? We learned to answer, it's number clock. For example, it's 3 o'clock. We learned about AM for morning and PM for afternoon and night. 7 a.m. is morning. 7 p.m. is night. We learned about the parts of the day: morning, afternoon, evening, night. And we learned to ask about routines. What time do you? And to answer, I act at time. You have learned many new words and phrases today. Now you can talk about time in English. Keep practicing. Practice with your friends. Practice by looking at clocks. Practice asking, what time is it? This is how you learn best.